Alright, now you may be contemplating whether to buy a Galaxy Watch Ultra or wait for the Watch Ultra 2, which will be launched in a few days. So in today's video, based on the available information about the Watch Ultra 2, I will discuss and let you know which one should you buy. Should you buy the current Watch Ultra or wait for the upcoming Watch Ultra 2? Let's dive right in. The most significant upgrade you will see on the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is a massive jump in battery capacity. According to reliable leaks shared by publications like Sam Mobile and Android Central, Samsung is bumping the battery from the current 590 mAh to a huge 800 mAh battery. That is roughly a 35% increase in sheer battery size. I'm not sure how they are fitting in such a big battery size. If the rumors are true, this will translate to true multi-day battery life. While the current 2025 model comfortably gives you about 2.5 days of use, this new battery could easily push your watch to 3.5 or up to 4 days on a single charge. If you hate charging your watch every single day, or if you take long weekend trekking trips without a charger, this battery upgrade alone is going to be a complete game changer for your daily routine. Next up, we have a major shift in the processing power. Samsung is reportedly moving away from their own Exynos chips for the Ultra 2 and switching over to the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear Elite processor. This is a big deal because the new Snapdragon architecture is heavily optimized for better power efficiency and faster on-device AI processing. This means all the new Galaxy AI health features like your daily energy score and sleep apnea detection will calculate much faster without draining your battery. Navigating through the upcoming One UI watch interface is going to be incredibly smooth and fluid without any of the minor stutters that you occasionally see on older Galaxy watches, including the current Galaxy Watch Ultra model. Another area where Samsung is turning things up is the display brightness. The first generation Galaxy Watch Ultra already has a very bright screen peaking at 3000 nits, but the Watch Ultra 2 is rumored to push that boundary all the way up to 5000 nits. Again, this is a rumor, take this with a pinch of salt. When you are outdoors running or biking in the middle of the day under harsh summer sunlight, having a 5000 nit display means you will never have to squint or cover the watch with your hand to read your stats. Samsung is also expected to introduce some exclusive high-density watch faces that will look absolutely stunning and crisp on their super bright screen, especially if you love running true black AMOLED layouts to save power and keep the interface looking minimalist. When we look at the physical design, Samsung is making some very clear aesthetic changes to separate the Watch Ultra 2 from the rest of the lineup. The overall case shape is still that familiar titanium squircle, but it is getting a slightly boxier and refined look with thinner display bezels. The biggest visual difference is that the outer bezel will now feature 12R numerical markings stamped directly onto the metal, giving it a much more traditional premium watch vibe. The quick action button on the side is also changing from a solid bright orange color to much stealthier flush design with just a subtle orange outline. Additionally, the new strap connection system might be heavily locked down to the Ultra series with new rugged heavy-duty buckles that feature dedicated Ultra branding. Durability is also getting a nice bump to make this a true outdoor survival tool. The current Watch Ultra has an IP68 rating and 10 ATM water resistance, which is great for swimming. However, the Watch Ultra 2 is heavily rumored to achieve an official IP69K certification. This specific rating means the watch is completely protected against high pressure and high temperature water jets. If you do extreme water sports, heavy mountain biking in the mud, or just want absolute peace of mind that your premium smartwatch can survive almost any physical abuse, this new durability standards gives the Watch Ultra 2 a serious edge over the previous generation. Another massive addition coming to the Watch Ultra 2 could be the 5G cellular connectivity. For the first time ever on Samsung smartwatch, leaks indicate they are launching a dedicated 5G variant depending on your region, stepping up from the standard 4G LTE found on the current 2025 model. This means if you leave your phone at home during a run or a gym session, you will get significantly faster data speeds, crystal clear call quality, and much faster music streaming directly on your wrist without any annoying buffering. So bringing it all together, which one should you actually buy? Right now, because the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is launching at the Unpacked event in just a few days, we are seeing massive price drops and crazy retail discounts on the current 2025 Galaxy Watch Ultra. If you want a premium titanium smartwatch with a great screen and you care mostly about getting an amazing deal, the 2025 model is absolutely the smarter purchase today. However, if having the absolute maximum battery life is your top priority, and if you want that super bright display along with the faster Snapdragon processor and 5G speeds and the new numbered bezel design, then you should definitely hold on to your money, wait a few more days and buy the upcoming Galaxy Watch Ultra. What is your choice? Drop a comment and share your thoughts about the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to download our Wallverse wallpaper application. There are some fantastic wallpapers available which will make your phone look really gorgeous. Go ahead, the link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope you have already subscribed to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video informative. Guys, take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.